yourself.
सर लाइट को आप
नहीं बैठने की जरूरत नहीं है।
सर लाइट आपको प्रेजेंटेशन सर
Hello. Yeah. Can you hear me?
बस
Hello everyone. Thank you, Dr. Hariom Gupta, for giving me opportunity to discuss my research experience and whatever achievements I did during my research career. Thanks for that. And I would like to thanks Department of Physics for giving me opportunity to present my research activity here. So before starting to my presentation, first of all I would like to, as Professor Hariom Gupta already explained about my research progress. So I did MSc from BSc and MSc from St. Andrews College in Physics department, and then I moved to the Tezpur University for MTech in Energy Technology. As a part of MTech project, I did nickel copper metallization in IIT Bombay with Professor Chetan Singh Solanki, and then I moved to the research associate at IIT Bombay, National Center for Photovoltaic Research and Education at IIT Bombay. So in this research assistant work, I was working on the complete baseline process for the silicon based solar cell fabrication, and then I got a PhD admission in Department of Energy Science and Engineering at IIT Bombay. So I'll skip this slide because already Professor Hariom Gupta has already explained all those things. And presently I am a senior process engineer at ASM Japan, Tokyo. So basically we are working on development of semiconductor manufacturing tools for the different industry, for example Intel, Samsung, Micron and Apple. So we are working on, in this role I am working as a process engineer. So let me begin my presentation. So this is the outline of my presentation. So in this presentation, basically we are going to focus on the requirement of energy, alternative energy sources. Why do we need that? So we will explain, we'll discuss that part. After that, we will jump to the photovoltaic working and their types, and then what is our motivation to do all these research? Why are we doing this, and what is the objective of that one? And then to achieve our objective, what are the experimental procedure we are following? We will discuss those things, and little bit glimpse of our research outcome I will be going to discuss here. Okay, so this presentation will be little bit technical, but if you feel anywhere uncomfortable, like you are not able to understand, you may directly ask in between the presentation. Otherwise we can discuss it after the presentation. I'll give my email ID also, so if you need any kind of clarification, anything, I'll try to resolve that problem. Okay, yeah, so feel free to ask any question. Yeah, so first question comes like, why do we need, why are we thinking about energy? What is importance of energy? So if I ask you question like, imagine yourself without using a single day, without using any energy source. So you will feel like it's very difficult, like water you need to live. Similarly, now we are habituated in a such way that we need energy to do daily activity. So energy is a very crucial part in our life. And if we see the development of any nation, so per capita energy consumption is highly dependent on the development of any nation. So this is essential part for the social as well economical development of any nation. So, and the main source for the energies are fossil fuel. Fossil fuel is basically coal and different petroleums. So if you see that those fossil fuel, from where it comes, so that is like, it's not available everywhere in the world. it's mostly available in the Middle East and Russian countries.